Today we're announcing the winner of the PRV bundle worth over $500. We recently had the 16th annual speaker design competition, and we want to thank everyone who helped make it happen. You may have seen the coverage on our social media channels, but stay tuned because we are not done. Contest winners, designer interviews, and even more projects, so stay tuned. If you haven't upgraded your backyard space to include outdoor speakers, you need to get on that right away. Enjoy the outdoors with a beautiful soundtrack using any of the speakers and amplifiers we sell at Parts Express. Plus, you can watch our planning and demonstration videos to learn more. Dayton Audio has been on a roll lately, releasing the Opal One speakers for a high-end, beautiful stereo pair, multiple powered M-Series speakers for your home or office, and the whole Classic collection, which offers an entire line of options that sound great everywhere. If you want to bump up your sound, come check out what these speakers have to offer. An awesome bundle from PRV is on its way to one lucky winner. Over $500 of gear is going to Benjamin F. from Chula Vista, California. That's right, Benjamin, you are the winner. Congratulations, we'll be in touch soon. Now this month we're partnering with Morel for a bundle featuring two 6-inch woofers and two 1 1/8 inch tweeters, a total value of $856. An incredible prize that you could win. Just head over to the site and enter to win now. Good luck, and we'll see you next month.